Hi, my name's Stephen Rupp with Super Chevy. I'm here with Danny Nix at CPP. We're checking out the brakes that are going on our 55 project out there for this time's CPP Super Chevy Week to Wicked, sponsored by Golden Star Classic Auto Parts. So Danny, tell us what we got here. We obviously got some big, looks like 14-inch rotors, heavy-duty rotors on this end of the table?
Yeah, so we got the larger cube 14-inch rotors, front and rear, instead of the 14-13s, 14-14. And that's got 6-piston calipers, front and rear.
Okay, so this is your bigger kit.
Yes, it's the bigger of the big kits.
The bigger of the big.
A lot of braking potential over there. Got the Hydra-Stop power assist unit up here. This is a hydraulic power assist. Incredibly powerful booster. It's the most powerful booster.
Works off the power steering pump.
Works off the power steering pump. So if you have low vacuum, not even an issue with the power steering, this has got incredible braking performance.
Okay, then moving down the table, obviously integral parking brake for the rear rotors. Much easier to do and easy to package.
Yep, easy to service. When you time to replace the brake pads, you don't have to deal with the park and brake. It's a real quick, easy brake pad change that way.
And then obviously the front calipers. Front calipers and the rear calipers, they use a C6 Corvette pad, I do believe, right?
Yes. Yep.
So easy to find.
Exactly. A lot of options available in compounds. A lot of companies making the compounds, whether you're racing or just driving on the street, there's a lot of options.
You can pick it up at your local
Yep.
AutoZone parts store. You could be able to find brake pads anywhere you're at.
Yeah, exactly. And then our Corvette style hub. This is our CPP hub. This is a really big bearing unit in here. No speed sensor, so it's a bit cleaner. There's also no tone ring involved in the inside of this. It's just 2 large tapered roller bearings, real high load capacity.
Well, this is definitely the 21st century technology compared to packing wheel bearings, which is never fun. And of course, that only works because of your new spindle.
The new spindle, the Corvette style spindle. So yeah, it all packages together with this because this is really Corvette brake geometry and wheel bearing on a 55 Chevy car geometry. So this is for 55 to 7 cars, but it's all direct bolt in off of the spindle. So the spindle is really the key part to making this brake package work.
Yeah, and I know they're installing the suspension out there right now, so they're probably looking for those spindles.
I think they are.
Because they're over on the brake table, but they would argue they may be part of the suspension. There's some arguments going on about that, about where they belong. So let's get those parts out there so they can get the control arms hooked together so we can get brakes and wheels and tires. And
let's go do this.
I'm ready to drive the car. Let's go.